Hi guys, so today I'm going to be recreating a look that I saw on Instagram, and the girl that originally did it, her name is Kelsey Kendall, I'm pretty sure. I will link her Instagram and YouTube in the description box because she also did a video on this look. And so yeah, when I first saw it, I thought it was super pretty, and I thought I could recreate it with the products that I have in my collection, which are also an affordable option, because in her video she used more like higher end products, which there's nothing wrong with that, but I wanted to try to recreate it using what I had, or what I have, which is affordable stuff. So, and it probably won't look exactly like her look because the colors that I have, they're not the exact same like shades, they're just similar. So if you hear like noises and banging and stuff in the background, there's people doing construction on the apartment unit on the bottom floor of my building, so there's a lot of noise outside, and of course I chose today to film while they do that. So but yeah, I think I'm actually just gonna do one eye first so I know what I'm doing, and then I'll come back and do the other eye. So also, I guess I should kind of explain like what her look looked like. It was like a very dark reddish brown, like blown out smoky eye, and then she had like a blue brown duochrome glitter on her lid, and super pretty. I definitely recommend you checking out her channel and her Instagram page. She's like super talented. So I figured the colors in the Dream Street palette, they're kind of similar. Like if I mix this dark brown and like these kind of reddish shades, I kind of think it might look similar. And then I have this, it's not glitter, but it's just a loose eyeshadow. It's from Naked Cosmetics. I got it in an Ipsy bag like last year, and it's got that same like blue, brown, purplish duochrome to it. So yeah, I'm going to attempt to do this. Like I said, I don't think it'll look exactly like hers, like because the colors aren't exactly the same, but I'm gonna try. I don't know, I just thought it was super pretty. So but yeah, I'm just going to do one eye off camera so I can figure out what I'm doing first, and then I will come back and do the other eye. Okay, so now that this eye is done, you can see what the look looks like. So I first went into, I mixed this shade and this shade, Shooting Star and Magical. I mixed those and I put that in my crease. And then next I mixed this shade with a little bit of this shade, like a tiny bit. And then I just put that a little lower in my crease. Okay, so now I take this dark brown and I take a little bit and I start slowly packing that on the lid and then kind of blending it into the crease. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna just take a flat shader brush, and I spritzed it with my Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist to get it wet, since this is a loose eyeshadow. And then I just poured a little bit in the cap. Just packed that pretty much all over the lid. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go on the lower lash line and just take a little bit of this one and this one first. And then I'm going to take a smaller smudger brush and go into a little bit of this. Okay, for the inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm going to take this shade right here. Okay, and then for the waterline, I'm going to take the ColourPop Creme Gel Liner in Mr. Bing. It's like a reddish chocolate brown. And just put that in my waterline. Okay, so now I'm just going to go off camera, put on some mascara and lashes, and then I will be right back to put on some lipstick and finish the look. Okay, so now that the lashes are on, I use the Ardell Wispy false lashes, and then I just use the Wet n Wild Mega Length mascara for my lower lashes. So now that's what the eyes look like. That duochrome eyeshadow is like the prettiest eyeshadow ever. Okay, so now for lips, I'm thinking I'm gonna use the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Aquarius. Just like a peachy nude, since the eyes are pretty bold. Okay, so now the look is complete. I'm just going to go fix my hair really quick and I will be right back. Okay, so now that my hair is down, it looks a lot better. But yeah, this is the completed look. Very fall. If you hear my cat running around in the background, she decided that right now was a good time to run around the house. So if you hear her little bell jingling, that's just her running around. But yeah, like I said, this look was inspired by a look Kelsey Kendall did on her Instagram and YouTube channel. And I wanted to recreate it using the things I had in my makeup collection. So I thought it was super pretty for fall. It's very smoky. The duochrome color is just so pretty. So yeah, all credit goes to Kelsey for her original look, and like I said, I will link all of her information down below, her video, her Instagram page, all of that. So you definitely should go check her out. She is super talented, and she comes up with some really pretty looks, and I think she deserves more followers and subscribers. So go check her out. And I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye.